let me go over this real quick on how to set this up. So let's go over trading deep liquidity grabs. So we have a chart in the room. I went over this yesterday morning, and I want to take a look at the session yesterday, and then we'll look at today's session, and we'll go over today's area or zone, reversal zone, where we're looking for a reversal. This is a major heads up. So yesterday at 8:30, right here at 8:30, right there. $8.30. I said we got two liquidity grab zones. We were far away from it. The market was at 64.58 and a quarter, and the zone was all the way up to 73 to 76. So 73 to 76 was the sell zone. So we're all the way down at 58, and we were looking for a 15-point push up to look for a sell setup. So these are very, very leading. This is my 100 sell zone, and then we have our 200 sell zone. I'll show you today's what we're going to look for. So how we trade these is just like how we trade our 25 zone in the trading room. What the market likes to do, it likes to catch the wrongly positioned traders, the WPTs, or the counter trend traders. So push the market up. Pushed the market up, brought it all the way up to the sell zone. So it kept pushing the market up into the sell zone. Once we got up to the sell zone, it had a big reversal candle. That's what we're looking for. There's your reversal candle at 10 o'clock in the morning. So an hour and a half later, after the projection, now this projection was known at midnight. So 10 hours later, it came up and hit right into it, right at 10 o'clock. And that was the session high. If we go and make this a little larger, the rules are you have to go inside of the zone. You got to start closing inside the zone, at or inside the zone. And then it's got to reverse. You got to have a reversal candle. There was a reversal candle at 64.67. 64.67. And the market fell all the way down for the entire session to 64.08. It's almost 60 points on the way down. All right, so that's how we look for deep liquidity grabs, how they try to trap the rolling position traders. So today, we can see our levels. So here's our first level. This is our 100 liquidity grab zone where they could trap traders. And if it busts through that and doesn't reverse, here's our second zone. So when you trade these zones, it's very simple. Price has to get inside of them. It can't close outside. And then you're looking for a simple reversal. It's that simple. And what it can do, if it busts through this one and doesn't close below it, it can go to the second one like it did yesterday. And then it had a big plunge to the downside. Now what it can do is that it can break inside of it. I mean, break outside of it. Break outside of it. Come back inside it, retest, and then give the reversal candle. So it can do that also. It's called a break retest. All right, so that's what we look for. And the same thing on our other chart. So this chart I have in the upper left-hand corner for you. We got the zones. We know what to look for, upper left. And same thing yesterday. Here's our sell setup. Here's our 25 sell zone. This is a confluence trade. It comes inside of it. That also comes inside of my, I did a whole video on this yesterday, how to trade the strategy and indicator. And then we got the reversal candle. So this is the 25 zone, and this is my 100, 200 zones. Those are my 3 liquidity grab zones that the market likes to do. So we're going to stock that today. Stock these levels again today and see if we can see if we get some reversals inside of these zones to catch the wrongly positioned traders. Okay, so if I skinny this down, I look at the big picture. When you're getting inside these zones, you can see Monday, reversal inside the zone, reversal inside the zone, reversal inside the zone, reversal inside the zone. So you can clearly see they played off that zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yesterday I called out that zone on the video an hour and a half before it happened, and it fell almost 60 S&P points. Okay, so that's what we want to do. All right, we want to stalk these deep liquidity grabs and these more shallow liquidity grabs for reversal opportunities. Okay.